guys, and welcome to a programming video. Now, the first thing I'm going to show y'all is how you are supposed to create a batch file. And this is for bat programming, by the way. So, what you do to create a bat file is you click Save As, all files, go to this one, and then you would say blah 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 dot bat, and that's how you'd save it. And then if I were to try to open that documents, this would be the batch file, and of course it can't run because it doesn't have anything, so let's just delete that, and I'll start showing you what I'm trying to show you. And that is, let me just check if this is actually recording. Yes, it is. Okay, so that is how you make a batch file. Shut up, please. And so to create a batch file, you do that. And no, make new. And I'll leave this open, make sure. Okay. So the first thing you probably want to do when you're starting anything in Notepad or Notepad++, if you're using that, anything really if you're doing a bat file, is do @echo off. And what that does is, well, I'll show you that later, but so I'll show you what that does later because I can't show you what it does right now. And now click. Now let's say we wanted to make it say hi. I would make it say echo hi. What this does is it echoes what I typed here. In other words, it makes it say hi. But if, well, you'll see. Test.bat all files save. Now if we were to run this, it would do that. But wait, maybe I want it to stay there. Easy. What you would do then, if you want it to stay, is do pause. And save this test.bat. Yeah, it does. And then if I were to do this now, it would say press any key to continue. And I would, and it would do that. Now you're probably wondering what the @echoed off does. So if I were to delete that and save it, and then run it, what it would do is it would show you actually typing the command, which I don't want to, which you probably don't want it to do. So that's why you want to do @echo off. So make sure you do @echo off at the beginning of all your bat files. Now let's say I had some code here that I wanted to skip. Say I were doing like a 20 questions game. So maybe I wanted to make it say, how was your day? Your day. And then A, good, or B, bad. And then if they would answer B, they'd say it would be, and say if it was an A, it would say maybe, I would say go to A, and then A, and then maybe if it was B, I would say go to B, and maybe I want to have a different question based on what your answer to that one was. But you're probably wondering, well, this can't work. I mean, this doesn't work. It's not taking your input or anything. And you would be right. It isn't. It wouldn't work. It wouldn't work at all. If I were to run it, it would not work at all. See? It wouldn't work. Well, I suppose that's why echo. You need to have echo there. But even if I did an echo, it still wouldn't work. Look. It still wouldn't work. Good good, bad, and then it would just like freeze. And so these can be used for loops. So for example, say I wanted to make a loop. So start, I would say, okay, this is a loop that goes on forever. Go to start, and then this would be a loop. This is a loop like goes on forever. This is see, it does go on forever. That is a loop. One more thing I think I should show you in this video is that actually a few more things. So title. What this does is it sets the title of the command. If I were to run this right now, all it would say is C Windows System 32 command.exe. If I set title to be hello, and I set pause, this would happen when I run it. Open. Hello. Press any key to continue. So the last thing I want to show you is the start command. Actually, I want to show you the set command after this, but in a minute. So let's say I wanted to start program. What I would do is I would type in start. Say I wanted to start Google Chrome. What I would do is I would say start chrome.exe. And I know this because I checked this earlier. And then pause. Now if I were to run this, it would see how it opens Google Chrome. And then it would do that. The same thing goes for if I wanted to run, say, a website. I would do http://www.example.com. Or in this case, say I wanted to open YouTube. youtube.com. And then I would save that, and it would open YouTube in my default browser. See? Neat, huh? Okay, so the last thing I want to show you is the set command. So say I want to say, so how was your day? Question mark. No, sorry. Echo, how was your day? Keep forgetting echo. Echo, A, good. Echo, B, bad. Set, slash, and then for this, basically what this does is it sets a variable. What it does is set /p and name your variable. Value of day, I guess, equal, and then this will be what it says, asks, and the user's input will be set as the variable. So ask input the letter next to your answer. If, and then the if command basically says if this variable is equal to this, then do this, and then there's also if not, meaning if this variable is not this, then do this. So if %value of day, caps lock, percent double equals a, go to a, and then you have to actually do it for lowercase letters too. So of day percent double equals a, go to a, and if %value of day percent double equals b, go to b. If %value of day percent double equals B, go to B. And then, if it doesn't do any of those, go to fail answer. Invalid answer. And then, yeah. And then I would have it go back to the start. Start. So, A. Good for echo. Good for you. And then I would have it pause. Go to end. Go. It's okay. Don't worry, it will get better. Better. Pause. Go to end. And then invalid answer. Echo. Sorry. Value of day. Sorry, percent value of day. And what this does, if you do percent, then what it'll do is it will say, well, so it'll say, like, it'll input what you set as a variable there. So it won't say value of day. It'll say whatever you put in for value of day is not a valid answer. Please try again. Go to start. And then end. And what it'll do is it'll just close out because there's nothing there. And what I want it to do is, so that this doesn't build up, I want to do CLS, which what this does is it'll clear the screen, so that whenever it starts, it'll clear the screen. So let's see how this works. How was your day? A. Good for you. And then B. Don't worry, it'll get better. If I put C. Now, that doesn't work because I didn't pause it. And also, please try again. Pause. And then it'll work fine. C. Sorry, C is not a valid answer. Well, I want it to quote it. So put quotes around it and it'll work fine, I think. C. Sorry, C is not a valid answer. Please try again. C. Yep, that works fine. A. And there you go. That is the basics of programming. Pad programming. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button down there and the like button down there. If you didn't like this video, hit the dislike button. Next dislike button, check in the comment section below. I shall fix that in the next video. Until then, I'll say, see you all signing out. Peace. I said peace.